Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop and merge in Qualtrics. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first things first, we need to go ahead and open up our survey. Then from there, we need to go ahead and click onto our block here. And then on the left hand side, we've got edit block. We've got the option to loop and merge. So you want to click onto that. Now we've got the option to enable turn on loop and merge. So click onto that and then click onto save. Now, once we've done that, we've got the option here on the top right or the middle right, loop and merge. So we can click onto that and then we can customize it here. So we can go ahead and enable loop based off a question, and we can select a question, or we can do a randomized loop order. So we got presets only, or we got a total of loops, and then click save. So I'm just going to enable the top one here and click save. Now it's got invalid logic. Now, because it's just a demonstration, you want to go ahead and select your questions. So you're going to have questions inside of here, and then to the right here, there's going to be a drop down menu for select choice, and then select that and then go ahead and save.